Hi Doonistas, it's me, the Pecan Tan Beauty, and welcome to my channel, or as always, I welcome you back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a requested video of what fits in my Dooney Bourke Florentine leather Tilton in the color black. So if you have not checked out the unboxing of this bag, I will put a link below. Okay guys, so some of the items that I am going to be putting in is my large Dooney Bourke clear cosmetics pouch, my Dooney Bourke 1975 Shiny It barrel bag in the color black, my calf leather Carrington pouch in the color red. I'll be taking 3 different outfits, my daily devotional, my hair tools, and a couple of pair of shoes that I always keep in a plastic bag. Okay, so now let's see how these items fit into the Tilton. So as you can see, she is a very nice size on the inside. She has the Dooney Bourke patch on the back wall, as well as a slip pocket and a zip pocket here. And on the front wall, she has the slip pocket as well as the smaller accessory pocket here. So lots and lots of room. Okay guys, so first I'm going to start off with my outfits. So I'm just going to lay them here in the bottom. Then here I have a pair of pants and a shirt. And then here I just have a maxi dress. There we have it. And then I am going to put my shoes here on the side. They fit nicely. And then I am going to go in with my cosmetics case. And in here I have just some facial cleanser, deodorant, face powder, moisturizer, hand lotion, brushes, and that type of stuff. Okay, and I'm just going to put this on the back wall. As you can see, plenty of space. And then I'm going to go in with my Carrington pouch. Let's just put that there. Now I have my barrel bag, and I'm just going to put that right here on the top. Okay, and then I'm going to slip my devotional just right here. And here's how that fits. And so then I'm just going to take my hair tools and I'm just going to put them here in the side pockets. And then just lay that right there. So as you can see, she is full but not overstuffed. So now let's just see how she zips. She still zips nice and smooth. She still has her smile, and she is absolutely perfect. Okay guys, so here she is, Miss Dooney Bourke Florentine leather Tilton, all packed and ready for my trip. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and as I always say, once you go Dooney, you go loony. So go out and get yourself a Dooney Bourke Florentine leather Tilton in the color black, because you definitely can't have mine. Bye guys.